Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from Tuesday morning. I was out of town and I just picked up a few items and I will show you what I got. So this is Amy Tangerine. These are her 8-piece embroidery tags for $1.99, 1976765. And so you can feel the embroidery on the words at the bottom. For instance, this one says, so very sweet, life is better with you, pretty, fantastic, different stuff like that. So anyway, you can see it had stitched embroidered words. Hopefully you can see that. So it just adds a little bit of dimension there. I got the quilling template for $1.99, and that is, let's see, 1957414. So I didn't have that. And this one, I thought it was kind of cute. And this one actually goes with this stamping gear, which I don't have. I have these two, but I don't have that one. But I thought I'd get it because I might get that stamping gear. I actually like the stamping gear. It's kind of fun. I like to make my own gift wrapping paper out of it. Anyway, $1.49, 1943002, and this is Elegant Motifs. And it goes with the, I guess it's called oblong. I'm not sure what it's called, that particular shape gear. Did find 2 house mouse. I had a couple more, but I just got 2. And this was $2.99. And this is Clean Tennis, anyone? 1974776. So he's playing on top of the tennis ball. And then this one, they're making gingerbread men. This is Muzzy, Amanda, Monica, and Mud Pie. $3.99, and it's 1974805. So that was those 2. And then I found these stickers. I thought these were cute because I think they look good on a card. 16 pieces, so it's front and back duplicates. And it just says, thanks, gold foil. And it's 1986549.99. Like I said, these would be great on a card, just like the example there by Momenta. This is also a sticker pad by Momenta, and this has, does it say how many stickers up here? 60. And some of the words you would use, like, and it has the same font as the dies. I have dies, and they have that same font, that script font. It's 99¢, and it says mini word love. 1986544. So you got love, laugh, hello, believe, hope, live, high, dream, thanks, happy, smile, wish, and then it repeats. So, and then I also really was glad to find this one for 99¢. This is glitter gold faith words. It's 10 pieces for 99¢. I don't know if you can see that too well, but the words are faith, joy, peace. Excuse me, faith, joy, praise, joy, miracles, blessed, praise, faith, miracles, and blessed. And the number is 1986548. And I got these gold alphas, 128 piece, 149 by Mombi, Me and My Big Ideas, and it's just alpha sticker gold foiled, and it's 1949797. So it has the numbers and upper and lower case as well. They had a lot more Bo Bunny stamps out again, and I just got this one. It is written, because I didn't think I had that one. I like, I wonder what it says, where the script came from, but anyway, I kind of like it. I love those with mixed media backgrounds, just to give some texture. And the numbers, the typewriter numbers. And this is $2.99, 15 piece, and it's 1976928, and it's called It Is Written. And I picked up 2 of the Artsy stamp sets with the dies. The first one's a 13 piece, and they both $3.99. And this has been out for a couple of weeks, a couple of months actually. I just picked it up today. I picked it up with this last haul. 1955075, and it's called Die Romance. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stamps and 2, 4, 5 dies to correspond with that. So, and that number is 1955075, and this one is the same number, 1986520. So the last stitches is 20, and this is a 10-piece set, and this is called Succulent. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 stamps and 4 dies. So that's the only one that doesn't have a die. And I pick up this Heidi Swap. This chipboard Happy for $1.99. Some really cute chipboards up here. You can kind of see it like that as well. And it's bright outside, and it's, well, it's light outside, but it's also cloudy. So sorry about the glare. And this is 1976799. And this is a 20-piece set. And you can go with pretty much a lot of different colors. I did get 2 of the poolside chipboards for $1.99. I don't have the paper pad though. 1976761. But if I do have it, if I do find it, I will pick it up, because they do have the paper pads back out again. Maggot Homes. I ended up getting an open book, and this one was $6.99 with 20% off, and it's 1890397 because this was out October 17. So one of the things you have to think about too, when you look, even though this is being re-released again, because the Confetti, the Bloom, the Shine, the Open Book, the Gathering, all of those are out now. They have also been released previously. So if you go back to the clearance aisle, you'd be surprised. Some of the same, like Simple Stories, what's the one, Life, and the other one by Simple Stories, Confetti, those were out the same time this was, which was October 17. A lot of those are on sale 20% off. So even though you may see this pad sitting at the front, it may have a sticker that says May or June of this year, because they came back out again in April, I think, of this year. But the previous ones, if they didn't sell them, they're in the clearance aisle, which is weird because I've seen stuff that is in the clearance aisle that is also current in the same aisle, and I had to put stuff back and get it out of the clearance aisle. So just check your clearance aisle Tuesday morning, because if they had something that's been re-released in this first time you've seen it in your area, but it might have been out before, doesn't mean it's not on the clearance course. Somebody might have picked it up. But I was surprised at how many stores that I saw some of the Maggot Homes that was out previously that didn't sell was in the sale bin, and then the same paper pad was in the current. And like I said, the same thing with the Simple Stories, and it was a couple of DCWV and Heidi Swap papers that were out previously that are on sale, but they're also in the current bin at the same exact time. So just double check, and you can save you a little bit of money. It's worth it. It may not be, because somebody else may already know that trick, but that is something that you definitely want to do when you're shopping on Tuesday morning. So don't think that something may not be there in the clearance aisle. So anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.